Hello folks, welcome to another episode of Beyond the Blade. Firewood processing has never been this fast. These powerful machines slice, split, and churn out firewood in seconds, turning massive logs into neatly cut pieces with ease. From crushing hydraulic force to roaring chainsaws, these beasts are built for speed and efficiency. Get ready to witness the most powerful firewood processing machines in action. Hydraulic log splitter. Imagine splitting logs quickly without much effort. The hydraulic log splitter does just that. It uses either a gas engine or an electric motor to power a system that pushes a sharp wedge into logs, splitting them easily. You control it with a simple lever, making it straightforward to use. It's sturdy and safe, perfect for anyone who needs to split a lot of wood without the heavy lifting. Maho Slicer Dicer Firewood Processor. Meet the Maho Slicer Dicer. It's a beast at turning big logs into firewood quickly. Powered by a strong engine, it uses big blades to cut logs into pieces in just seconds. It moves logs through the machine on its own, so you don't have to lift heavy wood. This machine is great for anyone who needs lots of firewood and wants to save time and effort. PME Splitter. The PME splitter is great for making a lot of firewood fast. It has a powerful engine and a system that makes it easy to split big logs. Just load the log and the machine does the rest, pushing a wedge through the wood to split it perfectly. It's designed to be easy to use and very safe, with features that keep you from getting hurt. This splitter is a time saver for anyone with lots of wood to process. Drilling log splitter. The drilling log splitter is a simple tool that makes splitting wood a breeze. You attach it to a regular power drill and it works like a corkscrew to split logs. It's easy to handle and works on all kinds of wood, whether you have a few logs or many. This tool makes the job quick and easy, saving you time and effort. Sierra PTO Wood Splitter. The Sierra PTO Wood Splitter is a powerful helper that uses your tractor's power to split logs. Just connect it to your tractor, place a log on it, and watch it quickly split the wood with great force. It's got a big table for logs and is built to keep you safe while you work. The splitter is perfect for anyone with a tractor who needs to process lots of firewood efficiently. Noose-Reiner Firewood Saw. The Noose-Reiner Firewood Saw makes cutting firewood easier and faster by using an automatic cutting system. Logs are placed on a moving conveyor where sharp saw blades cut them into smaller pieces. The machine works continuously, reducing the need for manual labor. A balance beam keeps it stable, ensuring precise and even cuts. Once processed, the wood moves onto an outfeed conveyor for easy collection. Designed for efficiency, this saw handles logs of various sizes, making it perfect for anyone who needs large amounts of firewood quickly without the strain of traditional cutting methods. Hydraulic wood splitter powered by a tractor. This hydraulic wood splitter connects to a tractor using its power to split logs with incredible force. Once attached, the tractor's engine drives a hydraulic system that pushes a sharp wedge through logs, splitting them in seconds. A large work table holds the logs, making handling easier. The splitter is controlled with a simple two-handed lever system to ensure safety. With its high splitting power and fast cycle times, it quickly processes firewood, reducing manual effort. Ideal for those with large firewood needs, this machine turns tough logs into manageable pieces with minimal effort and maximum efficiency. V8 engine-powered chainsaw. The V8 engine-powered chainsaw is a monster machine built for extreme cutting tasks. Instead of a regular chainsaw engine, it uses a powerful V8 car engine to drive the cutting chain at incredible speeds. When started, it produces a loud roar and can cut through massive logs in seconds. Some versions include cooling systems to prevent overheating. These chainsaws are mostly custom-built for competitions and heavy-duty woodcutting. With raw power and speed, it's designed for serious loggers or enthusiasts who want the fastest and most powerful chainsaw possible. It's not for everyday use, but is truly a spectacle. MDL Power-Up Wood Splitter. The MDL Power-Up Wood Splitter is a heavy-duty machine designed to split logs quickly and effortlessly. It connects to a tractor's PTO or hydraulic system, using its power to push a sharp wedge through logs with over 22 tons of force. Logs are placed on a sturdy work table to ensure stability during splitting. A two-handed control system keeps the process safe while allowing for smooth operation. Built for durability, this splitter can handle large volumes of firewood efficiently. Whether for farms, businesses, or personal use, it makes wood splitting faster, safer, and much less physically demanding. Mobile sawmill. A mobile sawmill allows logs to be cut into lumber on site, eliminating the need to transport heavy logs to a stationary mill. Mounted on a trailer, it can be easily moved to different locations. It runs on gasoline, diesel, or electric engine and can handle logs up to 36 inches in diameter. Once set, logs are placed onto the mill where a powerful blade cuts them into planks. The process is quick, reducing manual effort while ensuring precision. Perfect for woodworkers, builders, or commercial use, this sawmill offers flexibility and efficiency in wood processing. Wappa Choppa. The Wappa Choppa is a high-speed firewood processor designed for efficiency. It runs on a 48 horsepower diesel engine and uses hydraulics to power an 800mm blade that slices logs. 4 smaller blades dice them into firewood in just 5.5 seconds per cycle. Logs move through the machine using an automatic infeed and outfeed system, reducing the need for lifting. Safety is ensured with a dual lever operation, designed for easy transport. This machine is ideal for large-scale firewood processing, saving time and effort while delivering precise, evenly cut firewood. (1946) Farmall M. The 1946 Farmall M is a classic tractor used for various farm tasks, including firewood processing. It runs on a 4-cylinder engine with 26.7 horsepower and features a 5-speed transmission. While not a saw itself, it connects to attachments like firewood saws, using its power takeoff or PTO to drive cutting equipment. With a strong frame and stable design, it easily handles tough jobs. This tractor is known for its durability and versatility, making it a favorite for those who need a reliable workhorse. Whether for sawing firewood or moving logs, it remains a valuable machine for heavy tasks. Spalfix K540. The Spalfix K540 is a professional firewood processor built for speed and comfort. It handles logs up to 55 centimeters thick and splits them with 35 tons of force. A supercut harvester saw cuts logs into multiple pieces per cycle, increasing efficiency. Logs are fed into the machine automatically, then split and moved onto an outfeed conveyor. Operators control the process with a joystick, ensuring ease and safety. It runs on PTO, diesel, or electric power and comes in stationary and mobile versions. Designed for heavy-duty use, this machine is perfect for those needing to process large amounts of firewood. Jansen HS40L55XXL. The Jansen HS40L55XXL is a heavy-duty log splitter built for fast and powerful firewood processing. It runs on a 13.5 horsepower gasoline engine and produces 40 tons of force, easily splitting logs up to 55 centimeters thick. A hydraulic system lifts logs and adjusts the splitting wedge for smooth operation. Logs are placed on a large work table, split within seconds and transferred to the collection area. Designed for mobility, it can be transported using a tractor or trailer. With its speed, strength, and ease of use, this machine is perfect for handling large amounts of firewood efficiently. Spaltfix K700 Vario. The Spaltfix K700 Vario is a professional firewood processor designed for fast, large-scale production. It handles logs up to 70 centimeters in diameter with a 19-ton splitting force, efficiently processing 27 cubic meters of firewood per hour. Logs are lifted hydraulically, cut with precision, and split automatically. Operators control the process with a joystick, making it easy to use. It also includes an iLock connection for real-time monitoring. Available in mobile and stationary versions, it's built for speed, efficiency, and reliability. This machine is perfect for professionals who need high-output firewood processing with minimal manual effort. Tom's Firewood Processor. Tom Hare's Woodchuck Firewood Processor is a mobile machine designed for fast and efficient firewood cutting. Inspired by the Geico commercial, it quickly turns large logs into neatly cut firewood. It's built for easy transportation, making it useful in different locations. Logs are placed onto the in-feed conveyor, cut into sections, and split using a powerful hydraulic system. The processed firewood is then moved onto an outfeed conveyor for easy collection. With its speed, portability, and user-friendly design, the Woodchuck Firewood Processor is a great solution for those who need reliable, on-the-go firewood processing. Dune VM420XEL. The Dune VM420XEL is a powerful firewood processor designed for fast and efficient log splitting. With a 13.5 horsepower engine, it produces 40 tons of force, handling logs up to 55 centimeters thick with ease. A hydraulic log lifter and adjustable wedge make the process smooth and efficient. Logs are placed on a large work table, split in seconds, and transferred to a conveyor for collection. Weighing 875 kilograms, it can be transported by a tractor or trailer. This machine is perfect for professionals who need high-speed, large-volume firewood processing with minimal manual labor. Narva H60. The Narva H60 is a powerful firewood processor designed for heavy-duty log splitting. It delivers 37 tons of force, easily handling logs up to 60 centimeters thick. Powered by an 18 horsepower engine, it operates smoothly with a hydraulic system that adjusts speed based on log difficulty. Logs are placed on a work table, cut into sections, and split efficiently. It can be mounted on a tractor, forest trailer, or car trailer for easy transport. With fast processing times and high efficiency, the Narva H60 is an excellent choice for professionals who need a reliable and powerful firewood processor. JCB 801 Log Splitter. The JCB 801 Log Splitter is a powerful attachment designed for mini excavators, making log splitting fast and effortless. It delivers 27 tons of splitting force and can handle logs up to 8 inches thick. Using the excavator's hydraulic system, it ensures smooth operation with minimal effort. Once attached, logs are placed on the splitter, where a sharp wedge applies pressure, splitting them quickly. Built for durability, it is perfect for professional firewood processing. With its mobility, strength, and easy attachment system, this log splitter is ideal for contractors and wood processors who need a powerful, efficient splitting solution. Posh Cutmaster 700 Compact. The Posh Cutmaster 700 Compact is a high-performance firewood processor designed for professional use. With 27 tons of splitting force, it efficiently handles logs up to 8 inches thick. A hydraulic log lifter and adjustable wedge make the process smooth and effortless. Logs are loaded onto the work table, cut into sections, and split quickly. The processed firewood is then transferred to an outfeed conveyor for easy collection. Designed for mobility, it can be transported using a tractor or trailer. This machine is perfect for professionals who need fast, reliable firewood production with minimal physical effort. Whether you're cutting firewood or preparing timber for construction, this setup takes productivity to the next level. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our latest machinery in action. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Beyond the Blade.